I personally drive over 19,000 miles each year, in all conditions, and as a result, rock chips are part of the experience. In this video, I'll show you my preferred paint chip repair system, and you can decide if it's right for you. This video is not sponsored, it's just the best solution I've found to keep up with road rash and spend more time doing more interesting things. Here's what we're dealing with: a collection of random sized chips on my 2022 Mustang GT. The main reason for doing paint touch-up, of course, is to protect the underlying surface from corrosion and to keep things looking as good as possible. To address these chips, we'll be using the Dr. Color Chip system. It's pretty simple. Visit their website, pick out your color code, order the kit with the bits you need, and follow their directions. All kits come with the tools you'll need: color match paint, a cleanup solution, squeegees, applicators, instructions, glove, blending cloth, and a microfiber. Depending on which kit you purchase, you may have different items from what I have here. From there, things are really simple, and a bit different from other systems. You get to be sloppy with the application. Just watch. First off is prep. I like to clean with a hand wash or a shot of quick detailer to get rid of any dust, and then wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol. Next thing is to shake the paint. Each bottle has a little BB in it to help mix up the paint. I like to jury rig a paint shaker from a jigsaw to speed things up. Once the paint is ready, apply it to the chip, but not directly on it, adjacent to the chip. Then blend it with the provided glove or squeegee. It's a little unorthodox, but it works. You don't need to build it up like the normal parts store touch-up lacquers. You just level it and smear it across. Let's do this for all the chips. Now we let the paint dry for 5 to 15 minutes, depending on your temperature and conditions, and then now we do the cleanup step. Take the blending solution and apply it to the blending cloth, then lightly scrub away the excess paint from around the chip and level out your paint. Once you've completed this for all the chips, you buff it clean with the provided microfiber cloth. Once the paint has fully set, you can do additional touch-ups or coat with your favorite wax. That's it. How do you think it came out on my system? I agree that some of these could use a second touch-up, but really, it's quick, it's easy, it's nearly painless, and one of the best systems that I've found. So now it's time to hear from you. Down in the comments, what's your favorite paint repair method? Have you used Dr. Color Chip before? What were your results? Is there a better system that maybe I'm missing out on? Let us all know in those comments. As always, from the entire team at GTC, we invite you to like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.